Hi YouTube. So yeah, welcome to my channel this morning. Well, it's morning here, so welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for coming to my channel to see how I wear my makeup or getting ready with me. So yeah, let's start the video, or let's get into the video. So what I'm going to start with is my eyebrows, and it's not so, it doesn't need too much. And what I normally use is, and sometimes I know it can be harsh, like if you use a black pencil instead of like a brownish pencil for my skin tone especially. But in this instance, my eyebrows are not that bad. So, and I don't use too much black pencil. So what I do normally, excuse me for, sorry for getting out of the video frame. Yeah, what I do normally is, I need to sharpen this pencil a little bit. I'm gonna have to use a mirror for this. So what I do is just fill it in a little, just slightly fill it in. Not too much. And like I said, I don't want to make it look too harsh. Okay. So I hope you can see that. And just, there we go. Okay, hopefully that's not too much. And then this side is a little bit, for some reason, the hairs are a little bit short on this side or on this end. So what I do then is just fill it in from the tail end, like I was saying, and that's about it. And I know you're not supposed to use black pencil, but for me, even though I have a brown pencil, it gives me a little bit of a definition. As long as you don't use too much of it, because too much of it, then you start to look crazy. Okay, so the next thing I do is I use this black opal foundation stick, but I use it as a not a contour.
So yeah, as I was saying earlier, or I tried to say, I use this foundation stick as a, even though it's a foundation stick, I use it as a concealer for my eyebrows. Alright, so here we go. And I don't use too much of it, or I try not to use too much of it anyway. So there we have it. Where is my little... Okay. So yeah, what I do is I just take a little bit and I just basically highlight the brow. That's it. Not too much, of course. Carefully and gently. I mean, everybody has ways of doing this. It doesn't have to be one way. You know, it doesn't have to be, you know, the perfect or the same way everybody's doing it. As long as you do it, whatever you do to get whatever result, the results that you're looking for, that's what matters. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and then I come back down gently. And then I just put the rest of it on the eyelid. But then I make sure though that if I put it on too thick, I use the brush to just smooth it out. Because you don't want to walk around with like halo eyebrows. That's not cute. Okay, so wait. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna get off camera and get this done and then come back and then we'll go from there. So yeah.
Alright, so yes, the foundation I'm going to use today is the NARS foundation, and this one is the Zambi D5, which I'm excited about. I've never used it, I've never used this product or this brand, so let's see how it complements my skin tone. So yeah, I'm going to also use for the first time the Morphe foundation brush to see how that goes. So usually, or normally, I would use a beauty blender to just, blend, but today I wanted to try this brush to see how it goes. So yeah, and I'm kind of old school, so what I do normally is instead of just, seeing some people just, put the foundation on your faces and then they do your thing. But for me, I like to put it at the back of my hand and then work from that. So, oh, come through. Alright, so I think I have enough, so here we go. Oh, the brush feels so good. Oh, it feels like butter. Okay. Alright, talk to me. Okay. Oh, I'm getting full coverage already. Excuse me. Okay. Alright. I'm liking it. I'm loving this. Woo. I like the warmth it brings to my face. An instant, almost instant transformation. Okay. Alright, come through, NARS. Come through. Of course, you have to put some of the edges. Your ears. I just swear again. Okay. Okay. Hopefully I'm not putting too much. This is so bomb. And of course you have to get under the chin. Sometimes on that too, why not? To even things up a little bit. Oh. Alright. Oh wow. What do you think so far? Okay. Come through. Alright, so, oh, look at it. Yes. Oh, yes, Humpty. Yes. I like this. That's blends so well and so perfectly. I don't even have to use a blender. Let me see. No, I don't have to use a blender. Oh, wow. It made such a difference. The foundation is perfect, of course. But then the brush also makes such a difference. And I'm not promoting more food. They're not paying me for this. I just like the brush. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is play with color. Yeah, there he goes. On James Charles palette. So today, this is going to be simple stuff. I don't like to put too much color on my face, but let me see. So, oh yeah. And these are an orange color. This color right here. I don't know if you can see it. That color. Okay. Come through orange. Yes, indeed. What do you think about that? You might as well put it everywhere. So, yes. So far, so good. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So far as you play with color and you like the color, continue to explore, continue to work in you, and do what works for you, really. Okay. Oh, indeed. Alright, so the next color is going to be not purple. Let me see. A little bit of yellow in there. Not too much. And it's just some yellow right here. This yellow. Okay. Alright. Now I'm coming back to what kind of color is this? Okay. Oh, my favorite color. It's blue, of course, but not too much blue. I just like to just tease it, Yeah. Okay. And then the edge. Okay, we need to pop the color, so it's going to be all the way increase. All the way. Indeed. Okay. And this one is this color. This one right here. Not too much. Just tease it out. The edge and then crease it. Ooh. Okay. Okay. And then for the final pretty brown. Maybe not too light. Let's work all that in. I'm not trying to do too much for the color. Just a little bit. There you go. And just accent the yellow a little bit more. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of yellow. Okay.
Yeah, so I had to get off camera and finish the final look, but this is the final look and not so bad. Tell me what you think about the foundation. Once again, I used the NARS foundation. I like it. I like it. It's not so bad. Yeah, and my lips, I used Elf. It's a drugstore bought, you know, Elf palette that I got, and I just mixed basically 2 colors. And yeah, eyelashes. I had to put on the mascara though because eyelashes is a struggle. Ooh, it's a struggle, but I'll get there. But in the meantime, mascara will work, I think. So yeah, tell me what you think about this look. Now this unit here that I'm wearing is it's, I think, the Sensational. They're not paying me for this. I just bought it with my own money and I like it. But it's a Sensational. Let's see. It's the Sensational is what I call it. And the style is Tuscany and the color is wine and black. And it's pretty lengthy. It comes, oh yeah, it's pretty lengthy. So yeah. Yeah, so yeah. Tell me what you think about this look. Would you rock this wig, this unit, first of all? And second, what do you think about the makeup? And how is it, would you wear something like this? Would you wear the NARS foundation mainly? That's what I wanted to, that was the main purpose of this video, is to see how the NARS foundation will look on my skin. But yeah, so far, I think it's okay. I think it turned out okay. So yeah. Oh, and this is a half wig, by the way. It's not like a full length hair, you know. It feels so good. It says it's 100% fiber, premium fiber, and it feels like real human hair. But it's synthetic. It's a synthetic wig. It's not human hair. So I paid $24.99 for it at one of the beauty stores. So yeah, tell me what you think. Did the foundation do the job? What do you think about the eyeshadow? I typically try not to put on too much eyeshadow because a little goes a long way, and so I try to stay away from too much. But I think this is okay. I started with the blue and then I looked in the mirror and I had to change it. So, but yes, I'm babbling, sorry. Tell me what you think about this look. Yeah. So far, so good. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done talking. I'm gonna stop right now. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the comments that you will leave. Or if you have any questions, certainly ask me and I will tell you, and you know, tell you how everything that I know or how I got this look if you want to. And also let me know what kinds of videos you like to see and what kind of makeups you like for me to try on my skin. And I will certainly do it for sure. I am feeling this wig for real. Anyway, thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you later.